Hello and welcome to SOC Compass, and this is the automated version of the APT28 execution scenario. We've done the human in the loop in the last video, so let's do the automated version. We're going to click create workspace. We're going to enter the workspace as APT28 execution, and we're going to write auto to make it easy for us. And what we're going to do again, we're going to go to documentation. We're going to copy all these tabs into the workspace context. So I'm going to pause the video, do that, and come back. Okay, that has been completed. Now what we're going to do is we're going to open the playbook context section, and then we're going to open the playbooks, and then we're going to copy all of this into the playbook context section. So I'm going to pause the video, do that, and come back. Okay, that has been completed. So now we're going to go to the webhook configuration section, and we're actually going to skip through the human in the loop option because we're not going to do that. We're going to do all automatic now through the AI. So what we're going to do now is we're going to copy all of this webhook configuration that we've done, and we're going to paste it into the boxes. Again, this will all be given to you whenever you join with us, and it will all be pre-configured for you. But for now, I'm going to use the ones that I pre-configured for this specific try hack me set scenarios. So what we're going to do is we're going to open Splunk, and let's let that open. We're going to go to search, and we're going to copy this URL, paste it here, and we're going to click create workspace. And that's it. The workspace has been officially created. We can see that we can edit workspace contents, edit playbook contents, and we get to see the webhook configuration. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to click workspaces, and we're going to click this start button. This start button is going to allow the analyst to be able to use this workspace in the conversation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video, move over to the analyst point of view, and then unpause it for you. Okay, and now we're on the analyst point of view. So we're going to click view conversations. We're going to click create a new conversation, and then we're going to do again. We're going to copy the title here, paste it in here, and let's do auto just to make it easier for ourselves. This conversation context, we're not going to put anything, but if there's any extra details you want to tell the AI, you can put it in here. Then you click create conversation, and then we're going to click the alert queue. We're going to expand this whole alert. We're going to copy all the information here. We're going to paste it into this message, into the chat field. We're going to write 2002, and then we're going to click send. And that's it. We're going to expand the next alert, copy all of this in, paste it in here, write 2003, and then click add queue. And that's it. That's all we have to do now. I'm going to pause the video here, and then whenever we get the alert report, I'll come back, unpause it, and show you what happened. And we're back. So as you can see here, the AI has officially figured out that this alert was a true positive. Same thing as human in the loop if you saw the last video. But you see, there are a couple of things I want to show you actually. The time it took 10 minutes to get it because it was all automated. The amount of tokens the AI used was a lot more because it is all automated. So that's the trade-off. We get to sit down and do nothing and wait, but the trade-off is it takes longer and the AI uses a lot more tokens. Now, as we added this other alert to the queue, it started the next alert automatically. So what I will do now is I will change this view to agent report so we only see the agent report. And then I'll leave it in conversation mode just to show you the timings as well. So I'm going to pause it here, and then whenever we come back with the next alert, which fingers crossed should be true positive as well, I will show you what's the token usage and how long it took, and then we can continue on from there. So I'm going to pause it, and then I'll come back once we're done, once the AI has finished the report. And we're back. So as you can see here, that took a really long time. 11:46 it started, ended 11:59. It used a lot of tokens, but I just sat here, done nothing, and as you can see here, it found as true positive. So what we're going to do now is we're going to copy the 2002 alert. We are going to take ownership of it. We are going to then write case report true positive. Yep. Paste that in. Alert yes. Submit. And then we're going to go to 2003, do the same thing, take ownership, write case report, true positive, write case report, copy, paste that in, yes, submit and close, and that's it. We have successfully prevented a security breach and we didn't do anything On our end, the AI done all the Splunk queries, it done all the IOC queries, it done everything, it done its own analysis, it used a lot of different tools in order to get this outcome, but that's all been completed, and it hasn't just been completed as correct, it has been completed also as it has completed all the reports perfectly, as you can see here. And same thing for the next alert, as you can see here, the reports have been done perfectly. So I'm going to pause here. I'm going to switch over to the owner POV to show you another two neat tricks about my application. And we're back. So now what we can do is we can actually click compliance, we can click refresh, and we can give it a couple of seconds. This is just going to be our compliance checker. It's not SOC 2 compliance or anything. It's just a general compliance checker to check what happened during the alert and everything like that. So as we can see here, we got these two alerts, 87 out of 100, 88 out of 100. It's just these things how I have to tune it slightly. But the PII protection, again, it's not 100%, but there are some false positives here. But as you can see, there are no person names that went through, which is perfect. You can see here we can go to flow as well, and you can see exactly what happened, at which point it happened and everything. We can actually download the flow, so we can actually see exactly what happened during this flow, exactly what the AI done, what it received, what it thought, every single process that we need to see, just for auditing purposes. And we can actually go to data protection. And we can see here that data protection, there has been automatic PII anonymization and de-anonymization as well. So as you can see here, we can actually give this a short test. We can search person 6 was Tom. So as you can see here, the AI doesn't know who Tom is. It never heard of that name before. It just seen person 6. We done PII detection and anonymization, person 6 to Tom. So that's basically it. That's all that my application can do. I'm going to do a lot more scenarios in the future, so stay tuned. But that's basically it. I'll see you on the next scenario, guys. Bye.